and gone like two left shoes. Close the blinds and shut the door. You can't see me either.
Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025. This is when I'm filming it. It's not. I might not put this out till tomorrow or the next day, but that's the day that I'm filming it. I was just gonna go over my breakfast today. Currently still in Kingman, Arizona. As you can see right there, getting loaded. It's a live load, so don't know how long that's gonna take, but I just kind of wanted to tell you show you, I guess, what I'm doing for breakfast. Got some of this. We got some of this. So these are the Kodiak protein oats, rolled oats. Normally I would probably just get regular oats, but they were cheaper. They weren't cheaper. They were on sale. Sorry. I don't know if you can even see that or not, but they're pretty tasty. I mean, it tastes like oats, but I knew that they were just plain old oats. So the one thing that I've had on my that's not necessarily whole food plant-based, other than that I've been pretty good, is this right here. What I do with this is I put the oats in the bowl and then I sprinkle this on top. It kind of gives it a little bit of a snickerdoodle taste. But this right here is if you add the nut butter and honey to make the actual protein balls, which I'm not gonna do, so I don't know if you can see that at all, but I'm still new to using this GoPro. But so and then I did that last night. Put them in there, put them in the bowl. I put water. I could use some kind of other milk, but I really haven't found any that doesn't have any like oil, or like canola oil or seed oil, some kind of seed oil or something like that. So left them in there overnight, 8 to 10 hours, and then here's what it looks like. There you go, oatmeal, overnight oats. Put some blueberries on top, sprinkled some walnuts chopped, and that is going to definitely fill me up. And pay no attention to my fine china. But if you remember me from my carnivore videos, I don't like to do things that take a lot of time. I'm very into like, get things made, eat it, be done with it. I'm not gonna make anything intricate that, because obviously I'm not a chef. I'm a truck driver. A lot of these, all of these pretty much can be made inside of a truck. You don't need a kitchen. You're not gonna need a, an oven or anything like that. I do have like a crock pot that I can cook with on here. I could do like beans and lentils and quinoa and rice, or just things like that, soups and stews if I needed to. But I try to keep it very easy, like elementary level easy. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. But yeah, we're gonna eat this oatmeal and just keep sitting here getting loaded. And so we're gonna get some bite of this, and it's good. I mean, can't really, it's so easy. And even when I was doing carnivore, if you ask me if I like oatmeal, yeah, I like oatmeal. I like blueberries, yeah, I like blueberries. Walnuts, yeah, I like walnuts. It's not that I didn't like the food or never, because I was one of those people, there's no food that I don't like. I've never had a food where I was like, I would never eat that again. I just like all food. So, yeah, it's good. It's pretty tasty. Yeah, I don't know. It's the blueberries and the almonds together, or walnuts. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's that. Enough of me eating. I'm gonna stuff my face and talk to you here in a little bit.